Welcome to this easy and stylish DIY tutorial. Today, we'll be creating a beautiful 3-strand pre-beaded minimal necklace. Perfect for beginners, this step-by-step guide will show you how to assemble the necklace with lobster clasps and an extension chain. Let's get started and make the chic accessory together. As we go through this project, we'll discuss the materials you'll need to create your 3-strand pre-beaded necklace. You can find this pre-beaded chain online or click below for more information on where to purchase the materials. First, let's measure and cut our pre-beaded chain into 3 equal strands, ensuring each strand is the desired length for your necklace design. Adjust the length according to your preference. For the first strand, measure and cut approximately 14 inches of pre-beaded chain to begin your necklace design. For the second strand, measure and cut approximately 15 inches of pre-beaded chain to create a slightly longer layer. Use your pliers cutter to carefully cut each strand of pre-beaded chain, ensuring clean, straight edges for a professional finish. For the last strand, measure and cut approximately 16 inches of pre-beaded chain to complete the final layer of your necklace. Use a pair of pliers to cut the chain, ensuring you make a clean, even cut at the measured length. The pre-beaded chain should be layered from the shortest strand at the top to the longest strand at the bottom. Please keep the strands in order from shortest to longest for easy assembly. Use flat nose pliers to open a jump ring carefully, making sure not to distort its shape before attaching it. Insert the jump ring into the end of the pre-beaded chain, starting with the longest strand. Please be patient as the loop of the bead is small, requiring careful handling to ensure everything is securely attached. Attach the jump ring to the jump ring connector of the strands, ensuring all chains are securely connected and aligned. Open another jump ring using the pliers, making sure to twist it gently without pulling apart to maintain its shape. Please move to the middle strand and insert it into the end of the strand. Secure it tightly, ensuring it aligns with the previous jump ring connection. Remember, for minimal jewelry, we are using small 2mm jump rings to maintain a delicate, clean, and refined look for the design. Attach the strand to the jump ring connector, ensuring it is securely fastened and aligned with the other strands for a balanced look. Open another jump ring and insert it into the smallest strand, securing it firmly before closing the jump ring tightly. Attach the jump ring to the jump ring connector, ensuring the smallest strand is securely connected and aligned with the others. Please keep the strands in order from shortest to longest for easy assembly, ensuring the layers stay aligned during construction. Open a jump ring, attach it to the jump ring connector, then insert it into the loop of the lobster clasp. Close the jump ring tightly to secure the clasp in place. Be careful during this stage, ensuring the strands remain in the correct order. Double-check that none of the strands are misaligned or disorganized before closing the jump ring securely. This time I'm going to start with the smallest strand, ensuring it's correctly aligned before attaching it to the jump ring. Gently insert the jump ring into the loop at the end of the beaded chain, ensuring it's securely attached before closing it. Attach the jump ring to the other jump ring connector, ensuring it's securely fastened and aligned with the other strands. Open a jump ring and insert it into the second strand, ensuring it's securely attached before closing the jump ring tightly. Attach the jump ring to the connector, ensuring it's securely fastened and aligned properly before closing the jump ring tightly. Open another jump ring and insert it into the last and longest strand of pre-beaded chain, ensuring it's securely attached. Attach the jump ring to the jump ring connector, ensuring the longest strand is securely fastened and aligned with the other strands. Open the last jump ring. Insert it into the jump ring connector. Add the extension chain, then close it tightly for secure attachment. Check for any gaps between the jump rings and connectors, ensuring everything is securely fastened and properly aligned before moving forward. If you want more space between the layered strands, simply add an extra measurement length to each strand for a wider separation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Your support encourages me to create more designs and share more tutorials with you.